Hello and welcome to another video session of Introduction to Unity Games Development. In this session, we will learn what are the coroutines and how to use them in Unity Games Development. Well, coroutines are basically very useful in order to perform some thread kind of operations. An object-oriented programming background, then you must be familiar with the threads. So sometimes we want to run some functions, and till this function completes its conditional execution, we want to stop the program. If you are familiar with the thread programming, so the coroutines are of the similar concepts. So the coroutine will suspend the execution of a particular function till the condition is met or till the compiler reaches to the yield return statement. The implementation of coroutine in C# is carried with yield return statement in the end, and it is going to return an IEnumerator type. Coroutine will return IEnumerator and yield return type, and it will finish the execution once it reaches to the yield return statement. Let's implement the coroutines in our game. As you are aware of that, we implemented throwing fruits game objects randomly into air or tossing them, or it will erupt like a volcano. So if I open this throw fruit C# script, now the same implementation which we did before, we can do it through coroutines. In order to do this through coroutines, so I'm going to create one more function over here, and this function is of type IEnumerator as discussed with you because it's a coroutine, and we can give a name to this coroutine. The name could be, as this is of type IEnumerator, so it is going to return the yield return types. So we will use yield return new, wait for seconds, and how many seconds we want to wait for? Till this fruit is tossed or the fruit is thrown in the air. So this information is already saved in throw fruit interval, which is 1.0f. So we will give reference to this variable, which is throw fruit interval, and with semicolon here. But before that, we need to instantiate the strawberry game object as well. Now this line of code, I'm going to cut it from here and paste it over here. Now we don't need these lines of code, because this coroutine will keep executing this line of code after every specific interval. So delete this part. Now it is going to work as a loop, so we will type here while true. So all the time the loop will be continuous, but it is going to stop this function when it reaches to this line of code, yield return. Now we need to call this coroutine. So in order to call this coroutine, we will call this coroutine in the start function. So here we can write the line of code, and this is gonna be start coroutine, and give name of the function, which is toss fruits. Make sure that you're calling a function. That's it. So we have created an IEnumerator toss fruit function. While true, this condition will remain true, but it is going to return, it is going to wait for 1 second, and then first it will instantiate one strawberry game object, then it is going to wait for 1 second, and after every second it is going to instantiate another game object here. So this will be called at the start of the script. So this line of code is not required now next throw, so we can get rid of, or we can put it into comments also. So save this script and let's see the output. As you can see, the coroutine is also doing the same tasks. So these objects will be deleted when their position of y-axis is negative. So it means when it is dropped out of this plane of this surface, then these objects will be deleted automatically from the game. So let's understand one more time about this coroutine. Coroutines are just like threads in C# script. So the type of this coroutine will be I enumerator, and this should return the yield return type, and here we are using wait for seconds. So after every 1 second the coroutines will instantiate an object. Once this object is instantiated, then after an interval of 1 second another game object will be created automatically, and we are calling this coroutine with this specific name start coroutine, and then write the name of the function. This is how you can call these coroutines. I hope it is clear to you all. You can try this one. I'll see you in the next video.